In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an event to a shared Google Calendar. This can be incredibly handy for keeping track of group activities, team meetings, or family events. Let's jump right in and get started. First, we need to navigate to the Google Calendar website. To do this, open up your web browser and type Google Calendar into the search bar. Alternatively, you can use Google Search and click on the first result that appears. Now that we're on the Google Calendar homepage, you'll want to log in if you're not already. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email, and once you've done that, click on the Next button. After this, enter your password on the next screen. Make sure your password is correct, and then click Next again to log in. Once you've successfully logged into your Google account, you'll be brought to the main page of your Google Calendar. To create a new event, look for the Create button typically located on the left side of the screen, and click on it. This will open a new event window. Here you'll see a few options. Ensure you click on Event to start creating a new event. If you need more customization options for your event, like adding a specific location or description, make sure to click on More Options. Now that you're in the event creation menu, the first thing you want to do is give your event a title. This will help you and your guests remember what the event is about. Once you've entered an event title, you'll need to set the date and time. Click on the date and time field, and it will bring up a calendar and clock interface that allows you to select your desired date and time zone for the event. This ensures everyone knows exactly when the event will occur, regardless of their location. Next, if you're planning to invite others, you will need to add guests to your event. You can do this by clicking Add Guests on the right side of the event creation window. Now you can choose which email addresses to send invitations to, allowing them to be part of your scheduled event. After all these details have been filled out and double-checked for accuracy, the final step is to save your event. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top of the event creation window, and click it to finalize your event. And there you have it. You've successfully added an event to a shared Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can efficiently organize and manage your events, keeping everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!